Right, people, I hope you can hear me well. So on the request, I'm doing this video as well, where you can see the screen and you will see yourself how what kind of speed I can acquire with this bike. It's a straight road, as you can see there, and it's got a cycle lane, and this road has got a 40 speed limit, 40 miles per hour speed limit. This LCD, as you can see, is in kilometers per hour, but obviously you can work out your own maths there. So let's see, it's on pass level 3, so I can do it on pass level 5, which is the highest level of a pedal assistance you can get, or you could call it power assistance. So let's start. We are all ready. I hope you can see the video well, and I hope you can hear me as well also. There we go. So I'm pedaling. And as you can see, it's already hitting. Wow, that's some speed. Right, so I can now use throttle. So I'm using the throttle now. I'm not pedaling, I'm using the throttle. Oh my god. There you go. I'm using the throttle now. I'm speeding. There you go. You can see this is using pure throttling. You can see the speeds yourself. Wow, this is fast. This is pretty fast. I'm braking out now. I'm braking. I'm slowing down. There you go. I'm accelerating again. There you go. And it easily hits 50 kilometers per hour. And it still accelerates. It's still accelerating. There you go. Still accelerating. 54. I'm slowing down now. Right, so as you could see yourself,